What if I tell you there's a way in which you can skip hotel quarantine in Ireland if you are not vaccinated and you are coming from red list country, for example, India, and that too in a legally way? Yes, that's possible, and that's what we're gonna discuss in today's video.
Waiting on the pavement, lips locked on the sidewalk skyline.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream with Neeti. It's so sunny and I love making videos in sunny days, and I always talk about sun because I just love sun nowadays. Ooh, I know you will be like, why she always speaks about sun, but once you will come to Ireland, then you will also say that. Okay, coming back to the video, this video is specifically for anybody who is coming to Ireland from India, be it student, be it tourist, or anybody coming here for work. But yes, you need to get hotel quarantine in Ireland, and trust me guys, the facilities are really meager and it's just like a jail because you can move out from the hotel. And if you want to know that what kind of hotel is that, what kind of facilities you will be given, so do check out the video, specific video, link in the description here. So yeah, but the thing is that you have to spend a lot of moolah on that. It's around 1850 euros, and it's quite a lot. Like in Indian rupees it would be around 2 lakhs, even the fact the exchange rate is around 90 rupees, so it's quite a big amount. But there's a way in which you can escape it, and that too legally, which I'm going to discuss. So what has happened recently, like 2 or 3 days back only, Irish government has lifted the ban, removed some countries from their red list, and Nepal is one of that country. So you can actually fly from Nepal to Ireland without any need of getting quarantined in hotel specifically. Obviously you might need to get self-isolation, but that's a different thing. You don't have to spend money, but if you are getting hotel quarantine, you have to spend money. So let me explain. So boys and girls, this is good news for all of you because you can fly to Nepal from your home country, and from Nepal you can come to Ireland. So let me tell you the steps which you need to follow. The first step is that you need to have your RT-PCR test, and that of course has to be negative. So once you have reached to Nepal, so there you will be quarantined for around 14 days. And it's not that in 14 days you completely have to live in a hotel. No, it's not that. You have to be quarantined for 10 days, and for 4 days you can actually roam around like a free bird and travel different places, beautiful places in Nepal like Kathmandu, and a lot of other stuff which you can do. So yeah, so that's what you can do in Nepal. And there are a lot of hotels which I was just browsing, and they range from around 2000 rupees per day, and yeah, they can be they are luxury hotels and simple hotels, and the choice is yours. I recommend that choose a decent hotel where you can save your money, because that's what you're gonna do, right? That's what this video is about, saving a lot of moolahs. Okay, so once you have quarantined for 14 days in Nepal, so what do you have to do? You have to get your RT-PCR test done. Yes guys, this is very important because this is a document you need to show to Ireland, and you need to get it done within 3 days of landing in Ireland. Yes, this is very important, otherwise they will not allow you in your country, in Ireland. So yeah, get that thing done in Nepal itself. So the thing is that you don't have to be specifically in Nepal, but you can be in any country which doesn't require hotel quarantine. And recently Irish government has lifted away ban on a lot of countries, which includes Nepal, Maldives, Sri Lanka. So you can choose your vacation destination and save a lot of money. So yeah, that's a thing I want to tell you about. So when you're flying from the list of those 34 countries, you don't need to get hotel quarantine, but still you need to be in self-isolation. So but that is not, you don't have to pay to government for that. And I'll share the list of those 34 countries in the description below. Do check it out. So yeah guys, this is the information I wanted to give you in this video of mine, because I know there are a lot of students who watch me and they are booking accommodation and flights. So I just wanted to give you the the latest information and I just made this video. And yeah, and do tell me if you want me to make a video on some specific topic, or you have some suggestions, or anything you want to talk to me about, because I really love talking to you, reading all your comments. I really enjoy it. And yeah, I'll see you around once you come to Ireland, and enjoy your stay in your home country, and I'll see you in my next video. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Dream with Neeti. Bye bye, take care, enjoy the weather, and I'm gonna enjoy lovely summer.